Welcome to Bloomingdale and the highly sought after Bloomfield Club community. Ideally located right off of Schick Road, you'll enjoy easy access to shopping, dining, entertainment, and major highway access, making everyday living incredibly convenient. Just a short walk away, the Bloomfield Club Clubhouse offers amenities such as a fitness center, pool, and community areas for relaxation and connection. This beautiful 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhouse offers soaring ceilings, spacious bedrooms, and an abundance of natural light throughout. If you'd like to see this home or any other, I'm Lisa Larson with the Ruth Sheehan team and eXp Realty, and I'll see you on the next video.